Hello there. We're here with the M&P 15 bolt carrier, 500 round count check. Boy, that was a mouthful. Holy cow! Trying to be so perfect, but as you can tell, she's still pretty fairly new. Gas rings seem to be snug as a booger. It'll hold its own weight. Doesn't take that much pressure to push it down. So we're going to check her out. I noticed right off she had a chrome line gas key. Rather impressed with that. Chrome lined. I'm not too happy with the staking. It's not, I don't know if you can, hope you can focus in on that, but that staking's not the best in the world. I guess they come in from the sides. It's a different, the dimples look good. I'm really impressed with these dimples. Those dimples, not as much. And that's the side I'm worried. It looks like it penetrates pretty well down deep into the screw. These are not those really cheap F&S or whatever kind of screws that are real brittle. So I'm really impressed so far. So not too upset with that staking, I guess. Once you look at it, the dimples on the side are really good. This side's not as much, but okay, let's go ahead and dive into her. Let's go ahead and see. Key looks like in good shape, not bent. Held up pretty good. Let's see if we can get that firing pin to come out. And oh wow, she's a good looking. The gun has been cleaned. That looks like a chrome finish on that firing pin. No cratering. Only 500 rounds. You really don't expect to see anything severe. He has cleaned it. So let's take a look at this cam pin. This is the test. This cam pin is going to go through some major test, and yeah, you can feel only 500 rounds, and this puppy already has major wear. This looks like a 1500 round cam pin, to be honest. So I'm wondering, I notice how stiff she is, and those gas rings pulling her out. Those gas rings seem to be pretty snug, so she's still new. So it does take a lot for her to go in and out, so that could be the 500 rounds. Gas rings seem to be looking really good. See a little bit of, you can see the brass. And this has been cleaned, but a little bit of brass in there. You know, it gets super hot. I'm not seeing any unusually scarring on the face. The ejector, oh, very good ejector. Looking at it, I don't see any mushrooming on that. I want that puppy to stick. Now let's check out this extractor. All right. Oh, got a good looking donut, and I'm very impressed. Has the black insert. Many of your high dollar bolt carriers don't have that donut and extractor, so I'm very impressed with Smith & Wesson. So we really want to check for, is it free floating? And she is free floating. Very happy with that. So no issues, no unusual wear. As you can see, There is some brass in the extractor. I mean, which actually grabs the round and extracts it out of the chamber. So, but 500 rounds. I would think there would be at least 1,000 rounds. So there's some peculiar wear. Have to keep an eye on it. There's a lot of pressure in there and a lot of heat. But 500 round. I'm very impressed with Smith & Wesson. It's a very good looking bolt carrier. My only issue is this cam has seen some really good marring. And now that I look at the staking, you know, with this dimpling, this is fair. This is excellent dimpling because you can see that it did achieve it. But this has penetrated, but I'd like to see them both the same. So, but other than that, I'm very impressed with this bolt carrier from Smith & Wesson, the M&P 15. Thanks for watching.